Hey everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about tuple. I have written some example of the tuple, and also tuple is a collection which is a order. Tuple always started in order list. Okay, and also we cannot change if we have implemented something here like list. We have seen in last video. Okay, so suppose I have written here something. I'm going to type here car tuple. Suppose we have this one car tuple. Okay, so inside the car tuple we have implemented the car name, which is Audi, Tata, BMW, Jaguar and Mahindra. These are the brand of the car. Okay, so first of all I'm going to discuss about the basic difference between the list and tuple. Is in tuple we cannot change if we implemented this kind of tuple, so we cannot change. Like list, we have list always started, this is a list. Okay, I'm going to show you some example also, difference between the list and tuple something. Okay, so here we have the list, these are the list, you have already seen the last video. Okay, so these are the list, we have started from the this bracket, square bracket, and we have the started from the um, round bracket here. Okay, so we always think about it, means tuple all started from round bracket and list started from the square bracket. These are the basic difference. And second thing, in list are also allow some implementations, like if you want to add something inside of the list, if you want to remove something, so this kind of operations you can perform in list, but you cannot do in tuple. These are the basic difference. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Here we have list, and how to how you can print like uh, like we have implemented already. So let me execute this one. We have Audi, Tata, BMW, Jaguar and Mahindra. Okay, suppose if you want first index something 01, now we will get result Tata. Let's see. Yes, we have the Tata, and also same kind of list we have the implemented, like starting from, and then we can also write a -1 -2 something. Let's see, we have Mahindra here. We have also, if you want to range something, but if you want to range from start last to end something, you cannot do something in minus. How? I have added -1 means Mahindra, and I want to 1 2 means Mahindra and Jaguar. Then what we need to do? 1 2 3 something. So I'm going to -3 right here. Okay, let's see, we will get empty result. Exactly, we get the implemented empty result. Then how we can write something just like this? We can write, let's see. Yes, we get the result of the BMW and Jaguar. So always think about it, you cannot like write something this one, like from starting -1 to -2 -3. You need to put from the here. Okay, this kind of from starting to ending something you can perform in minus. Okay, if you want to specific item, so you can perform like -1 -2 something, then you can get result. Okay, so hope so you know about the how to access and how to start range. Also, if you want to a positive number something, I want to starting from Audi, I want to starting from Tata, from to Jaguar, then what we need to do? 0, sorry, this one 0 1 2 means only we will get result is 0 1, this one only Tata. Then if you want to BMW also, then you need to put here 3 also. Let's see, now we have the BMW and Tata and BMW. Okay, so so if you want to perform something like that, you can put. And why BMW not printed? 0 1 2, sorry, Jaguar 0 1 2 3, index 3 is not always include in list and tuple also. Okay, so hope so this is clear for you. And if you want to change something in value, then what you need to do? Suppose if you want to change something, you need to create as a tuple as a list first, then you can implement on any tuple something. Suppose how you can do that? Suppose we have this tuple. Okay, this tuple, I have the car tuple, means now I want to put here something like car list, then I am going to put here list. Inside of this bracket I am going to put tuple name. Okay, then I want to add something like that, suppose implementation basically. Okay, so I want to put like, sorry, car list. Okay, inside of the car list, where you want to put, I want to add something in starting, like this one I want to put mg. Okay, let's see what is mg. So here I am going to put here like car tuple. Okay, equal to tuple. Inside of the tuple I want to use this car list. Okay, let me do that, and then print your tuple value. Okay, let me do that. Yes, we implemented the mg. So hope so you understand how we can insert any value inside the tuple also. First of all, we need to create as a tuple to list, we are converting. Okay, second, we have variable is now car list, which is the list. Then inside of the list we are implementing and we making again this list as a tuple, then we can get the result. Okay, here the realistic example is here. So we can change using list only. If you want to implement only using tuple, you cannot implement. Okay, so whenever you want to implement something inside of the your tuple, then you need to make first of all list, then you can insert anything if you want. Okay, and here you can also perform as a loop also. Suppose I am going to use for loop right here, and I want to use, sorry, I have written is a cart, that is car only, sorry, yes, correct. So I have car and I want to use this one. And how you can print something, let's see. I want to use car, let me execute that program. Now we have the Audi, Tata, BMW, Jaguar and Mahindra. Okay, we are printed here. Also, if you want to check something inside of the your tuple, anything like we have Audi, let me do that, Audi in car tuple. Let me check this one. Yes, this is correct. Now we have Audi. Okay, let me execute this program. Yes, we have Audi. Let's change something inside of the Audi, then execute. We will get nothing. Yes, and again I'm going to print this one. Let's see, we have Audi. Okay, so this if condition also we can execute inside of the our tuple. And if you want to get the value of tuple, okay, so you can also calculate the value like this one. We have tuple. Okay, I am going to print tuple, and inside the tuple we can write here like sorry, I have written as wrong, tuple. Here you can put which is length function, we can check. Let me execute this program. We have 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5 something. Okay, we get the result of the 5. And something, if you want to if you want to try something, add something, then let's try car tuple, and I want to implement this equal to mg. Then what happened? Okay, let's see, print tuple and execute, sorry, this one, let me execute this one. Here we have added here, and let's see what we get the result of the tuple. Error, object does not support item assignment, we get the result. Okay, suppose same things we have here as a list, then we get the result, but we cannot implement inside the tuple. So you have seen the realistic example how we can implement duplicate items also. This is a duplicate item also we can print inside of the Audi I have added. Let's see what happened. let me remove this one. Yes, odd we have. Okay, so we can assign as a duplicate item also, and hope so this is clear for you. And also, if you want to add as a tuple as a single value, then what you need to do, suppose I am going to add as a tuple. So what is this? This is tuple, not this is string. And if you want to add as a tuple, then you need to write something after your string, then put here as a comma. Let's see, this is a tuple basically. Okay, so if we are removing this one, then we get the value only, string value. Yes, we get the string value. Okay, and here, and if you want to change something, if you want to remove something, then uh, like something, if you want a particular value you want to remove, you cannot remove from the tuple. Okay, you cannot do any kind of operations like remove something. I'm going to remove this one. Yes, now fine. Okay, so if you want to delete as a tuple, you can write as a delete functions like del and car tuple. Now you can delete as a completely. Let me execute this program. Yes, car tuple is not defined. Yes, we get the result, car tuple is not defined. Rise is a okay. So also, if you want to join something like this car tuple, I want to use car tuple value something. Okay, inside the car tuple I want to put like numeric digit 1, 2, 3 and 4 something and 5 we have. Let me execute this one. Sorry, I want to print like this one, car tuple, and I want to concatenate something. Okay, let's see, this is a car only. Let me execute this one. We get the result Audi, Tata, BMW 1, 2, 3, 4 something like this one. I want to add only 3, then also we get the result of the 3. So you can perform like this one. Okay, so also if you want to make as a tuple as constructor, then what you need to do, yes, of course this is possible to implement as a constructor also. How? Like we have this tuple, and inside of the tuple we need to put print here tuple, and start bracket also, starting and ending. Once you added like this one, double round bracket. Okay, so now execute the program. Yes, we get the result of the constructor also. Okay, like so we can make a multiple tuple as well as, and suppose we have already seen indexed specified value we want to print, and also we want to count something, we can count in tuple. Okay, so basically round bracket started in tuple, and same square bracket started in list. Second difference, this is a syntax difference basically. Second major difference is we can change in list, but we cannot change in tuple. Okay, so these are the basic difference in list and tuple.